Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out this gorgeous factory red on red 1965 Mustang Fastback. This is a really quality car. Factory paint color J, which is the Rangoon red, and factory red bucket seat interior too. Oh, you're on, perfect.
Yeah, this is a super nice car. I purchased this one, went ahead and we flipped the raised white letters out, put some wheel well trim on it, and just kind of went through it from stem to stern. But the paint's nice quality, engine bay looks great, as far as the top of the fenders and stuff look awesome.
The correct gold as it would be a 65.
Yeah. You know, that would kind of go with an early 65. Yeah, it's a nice car. No one put an aluminum radiator, nothing like that. It's got the fan shroud on it. It's got factory air, which is also nice.
Paint under the hood's nice.
Factory C code, yep. Somebody added a 4-barrel to it. It's got headers on it now too.
Nice. Undercarriage is awesome too. Make sure you go to the site, coyoteclassics.com, and check out those pictures.
Yeah, the chrome and bright work, horse and corral, front bumper, all that looks nice. Gap front to back looks good. Back side of the hood lines up nicely. We're so lucky right now. There's kind of our corral of some of our Mustangs. We got a beautiful blue one as well. Just so we have a beautiful blue one with black interior, then this factory red on red. Back of the hood lines up nicely. Both nice quality cars. And both have air.
Yeah, which seems like you don't see a lot in these Mustangs.
You know, and a lot of people want the air, you know, no matter whether you're from the south or anywhere. I mean, if you're gonna drive these things a lot in the summer, you want air conditioning. Tires are in great shape. Love the look of the style steel rims on one of these fastbacks. To me, it's just the right look.
I agree.
Paint matches up really nice everywhere too.
It does.
You know, you can tell, you know, there's never been like a spot blend or anything like that I've seen anywhere.
Yeah, paint, bright works.
Body line lines up good. Front corner of the door. Back corner of the door lines up good too. So many of these fastbacks were rusty, abused, you know, kind of put back together half-ass. And we're lucky to have two really clean ones.
Yeah. Same thing on the other side too, but just the way the doors open and shut. And all the interior, you know, dome lights work. It's got the fold down rear seat.
Yeah, if you want a nice one and you like a red one, you can't go wrong with this.
No. And this one's not a pretender either. It's factory red on red.
Looks like found just a little, no one to notice that, but just a little blue tape when they put that new rubber on there. Somebody forgot it under there. Who knows how long that's been there?
Yeah, I know.
Long time, because we didn't do it. Inside door jamb paint's nice. Striker's nice. You can tell they took the strikers out and all that kind of stuff when they painted it. No overspray or nothing like that on it. The center console's nice. Love it. It's got the small center console with the air conditioning. That's how they would have come. It's got the correct wood grain steering wheel. Headliner's nice. Back seat is excellent. It's got seat belts in the front, seat belts in the rear. JVC AM/FM radio, and I just had that playing. That works. You can tell when this car was painted, they did a great job putting everything back, but the fenders, doors, hood, trunk, everything was off of it when done. You try to flip that down with one hand?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it with one hand.
Dual exhaust comes out the back nicely. Mustang gas cap's been replaced, bumpers have been replaced during the restoration. Here's your trunk lid gap. Nice gap there all the way across. Lines up pretty nice here.
I mean, the back seat's nice, but I always like the look with the fold down.
Yeah, so many times. That fold down's kind of expensive. You know what I mean? And if a lot of them are crappy, so this one's super nice. The plastic in there is really nice as well. If you look up and down the sides, very straight car, very nice. We'll look at inside the trunk, D.
Yeah, do you have the keys?
I think I got them, and I was going to do it, and then you hand me the thing. There you go. I always like these on the 65s and 6s too. The little gills there. Air dams. Hey, that's nice, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
So, no, there's original paint in here. All original paint in here. Same thing back in here. Nice and clean. They did repaint the jambs on the top part and the bottom of the trunk lid's all been repainted. It's got the spare, it's got the speakers in there. Again, nice quality car. And very solid underneath. Check out the frame rails, front and rear. Check out the torque box there.
Yeah, it's sharp.
It's just got the driver's side mirror, like Dalton said. Just pops it right open, doesn't it? Again, you can tell when they did it right. All this was taken off.
Didn't even know how clean the trim tag is.
Yeah, very nice. And I don't think you can get 65s. You can't. You can
you
get
can buy your
67s, but not 65. So that one's in excellent shape. Really nice. It's beautiful there. Steering wheel is in pretty good shape. It does have a little crack here, one on each side. Seats are in excellent shape. I'll switch you. We'll go ahead and do the wipers quick. Wipers work, radio works. We're inside, we're not gonna get a station, but heater works. Air conditioner works, and we do have to put a new compressor on it, so that is included in our price.
Okay, so air will be
Original
fixed in our
compressor
price.
needs a couple little pieces we're gonna do. Air will work in our price.
And the car looks just as pretty, if not prettier, in natural light. It's like 1 degree here today, so to save Chad and I from freezing our ass off, we're taking them inside, but car's beautiful no matter what light you're sitting in.
Such a solid car.
It is.
Roll my windows up, windows go up nice and smooth. This one's got 21,000 on the odometer, so I'm guessing 121,000. Gas gauge works. We don't have a ton. It's got about a quarter tank in there right now. Nice tight car so far. Rearview mirrors nice and tight. Visors are good. Again, nothing half-assed, nothing rattly. You know what I mean? Just a good quality fastback. Sounds
good.
Yeah. For being kind of cold, just being in the showroom there. Hopefully it stops good. No power brakes. Don't need them.
Yeah, stops awesome.
Again, when we go through them, we go through, you know, turn all the drums and
Wheel
make sure all the wheel cylinders are good, none leaking, pads are, you know, good. We go through it all. Go through the gears here and just kind of check it out. This first gear. 4-barrel kicks in nice.
Nice shift.
Yep, it really does, doesn't it?
Back up, nice.
Jump from 60 to 70 there and third. Look at this though.
Drives awesome, don't it?
How many Mustangs can you do that at 70?
Not many. This is a great car.
Especially without being scared. Again, brakes. They might even be drum. They're super
They're drum,
good.
yeah. They stop good.
They're drum?
Yeah.
Good brakes. And the next time we're going to take her back, we're just going to go ahead and put it in our little green dot. 65s, 66s. That meant you started out in first. For economy, if you didn't put it in the green dot, you went ahead and just normal third. That would start the car out in second. Try to get you a little better gas mileage back in the day.
Yep.
You'd have a little more beer money.
Yeah.
Here we go. So the difference is, see that?
Yep.
The first time I started out from the stop sign in the regular third, it was doggy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's got good power.
Big difference. There's third.
That's a cool car.
Dude, I'd take this anywhere.
Yeah.
I thought that dark blue one drove good, and it does. But this is just a
just as nice.
tree puff, ain't it?
Yeah. Very nice car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.